Welcome to my channel Python Coding Hub. On my last video, I have explained about how to install Python and its tool IDE. So there are many IDEs like PyCharm, Spider, Sublime. Among these, PyCharm is the best IDE. If you are keeping Windows 8 or Windows 10, you can just download PyCharm, and I am keeping Windows 7, so I can't download it. And PyCharm contains two versions. One is for paid and one is for free version. The free version contains only the pure Python development, and the paid version contains HTML, CSS, JavaScript and many other languages. And in this video, I am going to explain about how to get back from the error of Python is not recognized or PIP is not recognized with the easiest and simplest way. So without wasting time, let's get started. So now we will discuss about PIP is not recognized error and Python is not recognized error. So for that, we go to start menu and command prompt. Now type here Python and enter. So see here, Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. So if you install Python correctly, command prompt will not show like this. And I'm typing pip and enter. So pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. So pip means if you want to create a website and game, you will need to install a module. So for installing a module, you should type pip install. If you want to create any games, you should type pygame. So I'm clicking enter. So there is no pip, so it is showing like this. To solve this problem, close command prompt and go to computer and search the location for Python. By installation, I have saved Python on C disk and Python. So copy the location. Copy and go to start menu and type environment. So click this edit system environment variable. And environment variable and double click the path and type a colon and paste the Python location. And okay, so again search for path and type a colon and paste the location of Python and okay. So go to start menu and command prompt. So now type Python, enter. So now it is showing the details of Python, and now to check for pip, type QUIT and enter. So now type pip and enter. So again pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. So on the last video we have installed Python 3.4. So Python Python 3.4 and earlier does not have PIP. If you want to install Python 3.5 and above, you will need Windows 7 with a service pack. To check whether you have service pack, close this and go to Start menu and right click the computer and properties. So, if you have service pack 1, you can find service pack, and I'm not having this, so I can't see here. To solve this problem, you will need an Anaconda Navigator, and we use the Anaconda Navigator as an interpreter of Python 3.8. So Python 3.8 is the latest version of Python. So for downloading Anaconda, go to your browser and type Anaconda Navigator. And click this individual edition. So scroll down and if you are keeping Windows 64-bit, you can download it from here, and 32-bit you can download it from here, and Mac OS you can download it, and Linux you can also download it. So I am using Windows 32-bit, so I am clicking it. And save. So I have already downloaded it, so I am cancelling it. And after downloading and installing Anaconda Navigator, open it. So it will take at least 4 or 5 minutes to open. So I am forwarding the video. So the user interface will be like this, and if you want to use command prompt, you can just use Anaconda command prompt. So I am launching it. So I am typing Python. So see here, Anaconda Navigator is pre-installed with Python 3.8.5. So we can check for PIP. So for quitting, so now I will type PIP. So see here, if PIP is installed, the command prompt will be showing like this. So the Anaconda Navigator is pre-installed with Python 3.8.5. So the PIP will be installed with Python. So if you installed any IDE, scroll down, and on the last video we have installed Visual Studio Code. So I am opening it. So I am typing Python on the terminal of Visual Studio also. So I am typing Python. Enter. So on Visual Studio also you can just use the Anaconda Navigator's Python version. So on my next video we are going to write our first code. So please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get regular notifications. So please like and share to your friends who are interested with Python codings.